Hi, Pamela. It's me again. Sorry, this quality of this won't be great. I'm in the middle of a move, and I'm staying with family in Florida. So we're kind of doing this in just a back bedroom, trying to set it up. But I did want to address your subject that you discussed for most important point, and that was students playing games and meeting them where they are in their involvement with technology and trying to change that into something we can do for education. It's through all of our studies and all the things that I've learned, and I'm sure you know of as well. That is a trend that we're trying to go toward, and by going toward that, we're opening doors that might be able to reach kids that we may not be able to reach before. And as you were saying, some of the games are open-ended games where they have to solve problems, or even doing online labs for science class and things such as that. I think there's tremendous value to that. The only drawback I will say is that I do believe we are following too closely to edutainment as opposed to education, and I don't want us to stray so far off the path that coming to school becomes a game instead of a reality, and trying to prepare them for the next phase of life, which may not be fun and games at all. It's good talking to you. Take care.